We recently brought in Griot's interior cleaner into our store, and we absolutely love this product. We knew we liked it before we brought it in, but now that we're able to offer it, we thought it made sense to make a video showing you how we use it, specifically with some of the tools that we offer. So let's take it out to the car and we will show you it in action. Okay, so we have our Evo here. We've been doing some work on the interior and we've been getting in and out of it, so this door sill's got a little dirty. So we're gonna demonstrate right here. So we got our bottle. You could put this in a press-all, but the bottles they come in are actually really nice. So I'll take my Detail Factory brush. I'm just gonna load it up and I'm gonna spray a little bit along here. Now, it actually foams really nice, which you wouldn't expect for something with no dyes, no scents or anything, but it really foams up well. So we're just gonna foam this down. Go, set our brush aside, grab just our basic interior towel and wipe it off. And hopefully you can see by this small demonstration that there is absolutely nothing left on the surface. There is no streaking, anything. It pairs well with pretty much any brushes, so we use the Detail Factory brush there, but you could use the Color Lock brush as well if you need to get into some more intricate places, so like these little bolts down here or maybe somewhere on the center console. Just be careful about scratching with these brushes. So if you're going to tackle a door panel, there's really two approaches you can have. If you're doing a deep detail, I would spray it on the surface or onto your brush and then work it in. But if you're in a case like this where it's really not that dirty, I would just spritz some onto a towel and then wipe it over the surface, just like this. Since it doesn't add a scent, we can actually add our own scent in. So this is the interior car scent. It's fine leather. This is our favorite here. So we're just gonna put 1 or 2 spritz right there, put one under the seat. There we go. So now our car smells nice, interior's done. I'm just gonna make my way around the car and touch up any areas that need it. And there you have it. Those are the reasons why we like Griot's interior cleaner so much. If you've never used it, I highly suggest you pick up a bottle of it along with some tools you'll need. Once you use it and you get used to the no scents, no dyes, no streaking, it's really hard to go back to any other interior cleaner. You can pick up the cleaner and all the other accessories in our store at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.